Hello, everyone. Hello, fellow Blender artists and other who might not know the system but want to get used to it. My name is Olivier. I'm new to the system. I'm new to the program. I'm new to the platform. I acknowledge myself as a Blender artist. Why? Because today I actually have the chance to put up my first finding or tutorial that is pretty cool. Pretty cool. I started using Blender. I really liked the fact that sculpting for me in Blender was amazing, honestly. So, with that being said, I was sitting down and I was thinking, hmm, what can I do with this stuff? What can I do with this stuff? What can I do with this stuff? And now I'm actually working on the pair of pants. And as I was working on my pair of pants, I mean shorts, I made a finding that I'm going to share with you. So get excited. Let's get to it. So here it goes. This is the basic general interface. It starts off with a cube. So with this cube in front of me, if I wanted to sculpt anything onto this cube, it's really complicated. I mean, whatever I do, because of the number of polygons in this cube, the mesh is only getting destroyed. Now, however, I'm making a pair of shorts, so I got something like this. I got something else like this to make the waist on the top. I'm gonna use a cube. Maybe I'm gonna shrink this again in here a little bit to make the trunk. I'm gonna bring this up. I'm gonna bring this up just like this. I'm gonna shrink this down. Give it some kind of shape of an even shape of a pair of shorts. Give it a fair shape if I want to make a pair of shorts. It'll be about something like this, the waist, and then maybe about the same thing going down for the cuffs or so. And then I can make the cuffs on the shorts. Something like this. And then if I wanted to, I could give it the color, some color to be able to analyze what I'm doing. So go into my edit mode, click my mesh, give it some color. So now I'm pretty happy for some part. This would be like my shorts. This would be like a pair of shorts. You know? Except this is not also real. It's just, an alignment of right there. Just an alignment. If I were to, it's very blocky. So what I do is when I go into my sculpting mode, and then by going up into the options at the top and enabling dynamic topology, I get told a message, but I'm gonna say okay. And then so I'm gonna be using my phone to record the rest of this because my camera flat out. So where I left off is now that I've enabled dynamic topology, by using any tools in my toolbar, still using my sculpt mode, I get to draw over these points. I think dynamic topology got these selected. So I'm gonna reselect dynamic topology and I'm gonna turn off my mirror modifier, and I'm just going to go back into the sculpt mode and enable dynamic topology. Now with this mesh that I'm selecting, which is the biggest piece of the shorts, which is like the thigh area, with a tool selected, my clay selected, but just drawing over it. Look at it. And now all these hard shapes around my cube just get a little bit, just get changed. I get more polygon counts. And I feel this is a much faster way of working and establishing shapes, figures, than if I were to just go directly into my sculpting mode and just trying to create a pair of shorts by starting with a quad sphere. It's still really cool, and I think that's what I wanted to share with everyone. So this is what I wanted to show you while using Blender. It's pretty cool, and it's going to allow me to go even further on my projects that you're going to be able to see if you keep in check with me using my socials, my Instagram, my Twitter, maybe my TikTok, and my Facebook. I hope you liked the video. If you did, like it. If you want to see more video like this, subscribe to my channel. Smash the notification bell if you really like me. Comment on my video and share my video. By commenting and sharing my video, you will definitely inspire me to put up more content. So that would be a nice exchange that we would have. And don't hesitate to even reach out to me via private messaging, because that would be even hitting closer to home for me. Also, donate to my Cash App, donate to my PayPal, because that's what's gonna allow me to move faster with my project. For example, I already want to apologize for the quality of the video, because I'm still working on establishing a good working medium to bring you better quality videos, which is where I will direct most funds received through all this interval work that I present to you on the internet. Without further ado, thank you for watching. See ya.